Fathers be there for your child, cause if you don't, them a go grow vulnerable and wild. Mothers be there for your child, teach them how to live them life as a juvenile. One of the reason why them youths are so bad, them never get no attention from them mama and dad. So them start feel left out and sad. That's when the devil come in and start influence them to the bad.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yeah man, blessed love, a pleasant good morning, my viewers and subscribers. Give thanks to life, you know, I say life are the greatest. Cherish each moment, you know. Today we're there, tomorrow we're gone, is it? Yes man, welcome to Lionfoot TV, you know why so we keep it real on the battlefield. Right now, Miami me there, you know. Yeah man, me there, Miami, is it? Florida. Yeah. I joke, yeah, see. Yeah, give thanks to life, man. Life too short, you know, we have to enjoy it and live it right, you know, and have fun, stop stress. No matter what the circumstances may be, you know, just know, say, Father God, the Creator, He's in with us, inside our way, you know, and He wants the best for us, so we have to set the stepping stone, we have to start it, and He will guide us along the way, the path. Is it, my viewers and subscribers? Yeah man, so don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe, click the bell, share the content. If you feel like doing so, but remember, think twice before you make that choice. In everything you do, think twice before you make that choice. You see me? Blessed love. See? Yeah man. In this episode of my viewers and subscribers, I have a video for sure with a little toddler. And I mean, I said some stuff and some people find it funny, but I don't, you know, and this is why our nation is the way it is, you know. You know, manners and respect start from the home, you know, and you set your foundation from the home, the base, you know. Yes, break the root from the young. You see what I say? Instill the righteousness and the positive thing and the truth and rights in the youth them mind from them young, so them grew up with a remembrance there. My mother used to say, my father used to say. I noticed me in my 40s, and every time I say, my mother used to say, my granny used to say, who knows say father, because I don't know my father dead from a tree, you see me? Maybe my life would have been better. Maybe I would have been a fisherman, because my daddy was a fisherman. See? Maybe I would have turned out to be a fisherman also. Big up Greenwich Farm, you know, my place now. Rest in peace, Tayan. You see me? Yeah, man. So, if you are my viewers and subscribers, I find it distasteful, disturbing, and sad. No, that a mother, yeah, I don't know if it's a mother or a sister do it or what, but you know, it's shocking. I don't like it. You see my viewers and subscribers, so watch Wagwan.
What do you?
You say f***
Why?
Cause I'm not no money.
Oh, me too.
You say f*** up?
Yeah. God no.
How you feel?
I feel away.
You feel away too?
John O'Star, you see my viewers and subscribers, what enough to say about that? Let me know in the comment section. I don't like it. I know I don't like it. It's out there gone viral. And it's things like those that is annoying, you know. I don't want to say degrading because it's not that bad to that level still, you know, but it's annoying. I find it annoying and intriguing, you know. Why you got a video the little baby, I said those stuff and is about the kid here, you can't blame the child because the child is innocent. The child is innocent. That baby don't look like him about 1 or 2. We say 2. Maybe 3, you never know. You see me? But yeah. The child is innocent. You know, and it's what the child is hearing regularly on a constant basis. You know, maybe the mother is a single mother, you know, fed up and frustrated too, and not care. And the Bible tells you about babies having babies, you know. So now for these young women and young men, you know, having babies, bringing baby into the world and don't have no time to spend with them, to guide them, to attain them, you know. because they're busy themselves out there looking it. Them say anything, them talk anything around the child and the phone conversation inside of the house. You know what I mean? And them have a video that and put out. The baby say them feel effort. No money. You know, those things shouldn't be coming out of the child's mouth. Those utterance should not be coming out of the child's mouth. More or less putting it out, recording it and putting it out. You know, things people do right now forget a viral. May I tell you a story, is it? The viewers and subscribers, and you know, people out there with good positive message, are saying good music, and you know, it's more like the passa, the foolishness, the fuckery. You see me? Those are the things that people gravitate to and send go viral. You know, quick to go viral. You know what I mean? But let me know what you think in the comment section, my viewers and subscribers. Me not like it. You see me? I don't like it, and you know, sometimes when I see the youth them turn out to be certain way, monster, killer, robber, thief. You know, I just said start from a certain start. You know, sometimes I see the girls them turn out to be nothing. You know what I mean? Just all over the place. Man, I use them. Them I take money and man I use them, I bribe them, you know, traffic them. I saw it start. You see me? That's how it starts. Remember, it starts from the home, the parents. You bring a child in the world, you're supposed to love that child, care that child, and want the best for that child. You don't want where you go through, where we go through. Where we go through, them to go through. You see me? That my mother used to tell me, you know, and me grow with a single mother and me watch my mother struggle. Till you come to the point where I say, I now finish school, you know, I'm going to look at work. You see me? I'm going to look at work because I can't grow and see my mother struggle as a single mother. My mother do try. She try, you see me? And up to this day, my dream is to say, I have to give my mother a good life before God ready for her. You see me? I have to buy her a house. Those things are still instilled in my brain from me. I look at youth. You see me? When me do wrong, I'm not saying I was perfect, you know. When I do wrong, my mother beat me on top of it. Remember the first time I go try thief. I see my friend them I rob the drinks truck. I take the crate them off of them and hey, I build a song, I have a song about it, you know. Remember when no go yard go, me got and me follow me chi and chino go rob the drinks truck. Police baby reds and in front corner me and back me up and give me a couple of chest and gun but then go lock me up. You see me? My mother come for me and beat me on top of it. I beat people that say me dead. Because try force me to touch road. You see me? We'll talk about it at different times still, but yeah. You see me? Parents, be there for your child. And, you know, teach them how to live good. Don't make them vulnerable and wild. You see me? Yeah, man, and it's all the fathers them too. Fathers them spend more time with the youth, them talk to them, even for phone conversation. Me myself not good at that because my youth in America miss them stories, you see me? And sometimes I don't talk to them as much as I should, you see it? But yeah, I love my youth them same way. So forward over there, you see me? But yeah man, fathers and mothers, be there for your child. Fathers, be there for your child, cause if you don't, them are going to grow vulnerable and wild. Mothers, be there for your child, teach them how to live them life as a juvenile. One of the reasons why them youths are so bad, them never get no attention from them mama and dad. So them start feel left out and sad. That's when the devil come in and start influence them to the bad. Yeah man, I know a lion foot and I say, yo, live in peace and love them. Parents, guide the youths, them, love them, care for them, teach them the right way. See? Show them the right way. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.